These little guys are so tired. Look at them. They won't even come out here, John. You can look at them now. Just walk right out here and look up. Right there.
Oh my! I said, give me a break. Look at these guys. They got the wind.
Yeah. These guys have found a nice little spot.
Yeah. Oh, they're kissing. Look at that. They're so tired.
Like I said, they're cute as hell until they start pooping all over my boat, and then off they go.
They're gone. You guys understand the rules?
No pooping allowed.
Oh, he's coming up.
They've taken over. It's kind of like the birds.
Yeah. See ya.
Whose boat is this anyways, you guys?
He's gone.
He'll be back.
How did they get back?